All right, it is January 20 something, 22. Rainy day, no more snow. So I'm about to go through my little off-roady circle thing, and hopefully I get to make a big splash on camera. I've been waiting to do this. Wish I had a bunch of action cameras on the outside, but this is what I got for now. Oh boy. Nope. That is still frozen as all get out. That was a little scary. I did not think that would still be frozen. Man, so frozen. I'm sorry, this is a boring video. We'll come back in a couple days because I think it's supposed to rain more and stay nice and warm. Peace out!